All right, guys. I just finished the live stream right now, and I came across the breaking news about Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger. I was talking about that in the live stream, live from Kampala, Uganda, and I'm gonna read this news to tell you guys a little quick. So, Sahel military leaders mark divorce from the West African blocs. You guys, you know that Niger, Burkina Faso, and Mali, they were actually taken out of ECOWAS after they took over the regime. And right now, the ECOWAS have been trying to ask them to rejoin the bloc again, but they have refused multiple times because there's anti-coup policy going on within ECOWAS. So if they're gonna go back there, that means they're gonna be held accountable with whatever that they've done. And one of the things that you have to know that because they removed themselves from ECOWAS, they have actually done a lot much better for their people. And the country of Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger, they're in much better place right now before they used to be there. One of the things that they've done, they kicked away France. Niger recently kicked away United States, and they kicked them away because these guys have not been working there with them, but they've been wanting to manipulate and take everything. But these are strong leaders who decided to come together and form a strong partnership that, oh, you know what? If you're going to come up to one country, you're going to come up to all of yours. So this news that I'm going to share with you right now, man, it's incredible. And I want to read for you guys to hear, and then I'll talk a little bit about it So the military leaders, including Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger, entered a new confederation on Saturday as they signed a treaty during their first summit in Niamey after having severe ties with an existing West African bloc. So guys, these guys have signed another confederation. Together, 3 countries. So Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger, they're basically simply like one country right now with everything that they do. The head of these 3 countries who took power through coups in recent years decided to take a step further towards a great integration between the member states and adopted a treaty establishing a confederation. They said in a statement at the end of Saturday's summit. Guys, confederation state is basically bringing all the 3 countries together, becoming like a same country. That's what they're doing. That's what they're doing, man. That's what exactly it is. So the Confederation of Sahel State, which will use the acronym of AES, will group some 72 million people. Oh my God. Now I understand. AES will have total of 72 million people. The 3 countries in general, they said they're quitting the economic ECOWAS, an organization they accuse of being manipulated by France, their former colonial rule. The 3 countries have all broken their military and defense link with France, seeking greater cooperation with Russia. Our people have irrevocably turned their back on ECOWAS, said General. So guys, this is the thing that you have to know. Man, this is the big news. This is what we've been talking about, One Africa all the time, that we need to see One Africa in our generation. We need to see a strong unity in the continent. But now you have these 3 countries that are leading us with AES as the new confederation. Man, right now when you hear Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger, you basically hear one country. That is AES with 72 million people. Together we are strong. Together we are powerful. And unity is power. If we are not united, we're going to work against each other and they will take advantage of us. When you look at these 3 countries, they are actually leading us, showing us by example that this is the only way to move forward. If we want to protect our countries, we must come together. So imagine if we had confederation in the continent of Africa with 54 countries. Imagine. Today, Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger have done this. What about the rest of Africa? What are African Union doing? Okay, in East Africa, we have EAC, but there's still tension between Congo and Rwanda in the same organization. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? If we keep on fighting against each other, if we keep on going after each other, what are we doing? You go to Ethiopia, the same people are hitting one another. You go to Sudan, they have been having war right now for 2 years. Just killing our own people. Man, when are we going to let in the same continent? You find Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger forming a confederation, and that's the AES. You know what? I was talking in the live stream that I need to go to Burkina Faso. I'm going to take a visa. That means if I get Burkina Faso visa, I'm going to be able to visit the entire 3 countries. We need to go there. I said this lately, next year. But from now, I'm standing here declaring that from now until next year, we must go to these countries. There's something is happening in that country, and I just want to be in the land of Thomas Sankara, the land of Ibrahim Traore, to just learn about the unity of this continent. Because these guys, they're not just talking, they're actually doing it. And these are leaders who decided to change the country and the entire thing for their people. What are the rest of African leaders are doing? This is what we need for the peace of Africa. There's a peace in those countries right now. Let me tell you this, man. All those, whatever those terrorist group that have been attacking them, I'm telling you, man, they're going to be hit so hard on the ground. And ECOWAS, they don't need you ECOWAS anymore. Because what they wanted to be done for so long time, they just formed Confederation now. AES. And you guys, you keep asking them, please come back, come back. No, they ain't going to come back to you. You guys, you need to reform your own organization. The same as the African Union. And this is what we need. So kudos to Burkina Faso, Niger, and Mali. You guys, I don't even know what to say, man. I cannot wait to come there. I cannot wait to land. I cannot wait to see this land and to enjoy it. And to tell you that the unity is possible. Look at this country and you see it there. Man, Bagumira Binji, I'm out of here.